Percentage of students learning different dance forms from Institute XYZ. Total number of students 600. What is 1% value here? Right. Total number of students in dance forms BF together is what percent of total number of students in C and E together? B and F together is what percentage of C and E, which is 45 percentage into 100, correct? C and E, C and E, oh, B and F, 22, okay. 22 out of 45. Approximate percentage or exact? Exact. Right. What is 50% of this number? 22 and a half. And your numerator is little less than that number. Answer is close to 50, but less than 50. Out of total students learning dance form C, number of male is 40% more than number of female students. C, right? 20%. What is 1% value? 6. Total we have 120. Boys and girls. So they mentioned male are 40% more than female. If female are 100, male are going to be 140 ratio. So out of 120, male and female are going to be 70 and 50. Equal number of female students and male students got selected for competition. If the number of male students who did not get selected for the competition was 80% more than that of female selected, what is the number of female students who got selected? Okay, right. What is difference here? 20, right? So now people who did not get selected, selected, out of this also there will be difference 20, because equal number of people in male and female got selection, correct? Then whatever the existing difference is there, 20, the same difference it will be there out of people who did not get selection. Am I right? Now it is said that male who did not get selected are 80% more than female who did not get selected. If female are 100%, male will be 180%. Ratio 9:5. Difference how many parts? 4 parts, which is equal to 20. Then 1 part? 5. 9 parts? 45. Then how many are selected? 25. Equal number of male and female get selection, right? Now the question is, what is the number of female selected? Either it is male selected or female selected. Answer is 25. Central angle, 9 multiple. First cannot be the one, second cannot be the one, third cannot be the one, fourth may be your answer, fifth cannot be the one. 9 multiplication. In 2025, 24 students learning dance form D shifted to dance form E. If in 2025, male students in dance form E was 100, what was the number of female students learning dance form E in 2025? Given data is for 2024, right? Now, in 2025, 24 students learning dance form D shifted to E. 24 students, okay? Now the question is about E, kada? E, what percentage we have? 25%. 25 into 6, 150. Already in E we have 150, and then how many more joined? 24 joined. Now we have 174. Now the question is, already male are 100 people, then remaining 74 are female only. Now the question is about female count. 74, first option. What is the average number of students learning dance from A, B, E? A, B, E. A, B together 34. 34, 25. 34, 25. 59. Percentage converted to number into 6. Average by 3. 2 times 118. This itself is a combination. Even here also combination is same number. And we don't have to write denominator also. 2 comma 3 are combination. Minus 2 minus 3 are factors. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 3 lies in between these two. No relation. Product is 20. Minus 4 minus 5. Product is 30. Minus 5 minus 6. Factors are 4 by 2, 5 by 2. 5 by 3, 6 by 3. 2, 2.5. 1, 2 by 3 and then 2. X is greater than or equal to Y. Product is 6. Plus 2 plus 3 is the combination. And then 3 comma 5. Those numbers are itself combination. Avuna? Then factors are minus 2 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Minus 3 by 5 minus 5 by 5. This is minus 1 by 3, 0.3. 1 by 2, 0.5. 0.6 minus 1. X is greater than Y. Minus 7 minus 8 combination. Minus 7 minus 9 combination. Correct. Do you have any denominators coming there? No. Then minus 8 lies in between these two numbers. Without going to actual factors, in combination itself we can conclude the answer. Relation cannot be established. X is equal to plus 14. This equation we can write as y plus 14 square is equal to 0. Y is equal to X is greater than or equal to Y. The price of 9 pens and 25 pencils is 1072. Price of 1 pen is 36 more than price of 1 pencil. What is the difference between price of 5 pens and price of 2 pencils? Okay. 1 pen, let me take pen is X, pencil is Y. Pen cost is 36 more than pencil cost. 9 pens, 25 pencils cost 1072. Correct? 9x will be 9 times of y plus 36. That will be 9x plus 9 times of 36. 324 plus 25y is 1072. Following? 9y. 9y plus 25y. 34y. 324 goes to the other side. 748 is equal to 34y. Y is equal to divided by 34. 2 times. Again 2 times. Then x is equal to y plus 36, which is 58. Question is to identify difference between 5 pens, which is 290, and 2 pencils, 44. Answer ends with 6. 246. Out of 6,000, Shivram invested certain sum in scheme A, remaining sum in scheme B for 2 years. Both schemes offered compound interest compounded annually. The rate of interest in scheme A, B are 10% per annum, 20% per annum respectively. Right, for how many years? 2 years. At the rate of 10%, we will get 21% interest. At the rate of 20, we will get 44. If after 2 years, the amount occurred by Shivram from scheme B is 2,280 more than amount occurred by him from scheme A, what was sum invested by him in scheme A? Okay. Scheme A lo enta అని అడిగారు అంతేనా? డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పారు కదా. స్కీమ్ ఏ ఎంత అని అడిగారు. రైట్, లెట్స్ సే 21% of X is investment made by interest getting by Shivram from scheme A. Remaining money is 6,000 minus 100% of X is invested in B. From here we are getting 44%. Scheme B interest is more than scheme A interest by 2,280. Clear? What is this 44%? Negative value left hand side. Matladali. Then 4421, which is 65%. 44% of this number, 1% is 60. I'll write 0 first. 44 6 times. 240 24. 264. 2280 goes to the other side. Minus 2280. How much is this value? This is equal to 360. Now the question is about 100%. ఏదో తేడా వచ్చింది. ఇదేంటి అమౌంట్ డిఫరెన్సా? అమౌంట్ డిఫరెన్స్. Then it will be 121. It is 144. Yeah, 65% value is going to be 6,000 more, which is equal to 8. Got it right? మళ్ళీ వస్తాను ఆగండి క్వశ్చన్. A vessel was containing 108 liters of pure milk. 18 liters of milk is taken out and replaced with equal amount of water. Again 18 liters of newly formed mixture of milk and water taken out. After that 7 liters of water was added to the mixture. Quantity of water in the final mixture is what percentage of quantity of milk in the final mixture? Okay. How many liters of pure milk we have? Right. 18 liters is taken out. How much do we have? 90. How much water is added? 18. Now what is the total quantity now? 108. Okay. Then again 18 liters is taken out, right? 18 as a fractional part with respect to 108 is 1/6. Come on. 1/6 of total quantity is going out. That means 1/6 of milk goes out. 1/6 of 90, 15 going out. 1/6 of this, 3 liters gone. 3 liters gone, 15 we have. Now, after that 17 liters of water is added. Now milk is 75, water is 32, water percentage 32 upon 107, percentage into 100. Is this clear? ఏమైంది? మిల్క్తో కంపేర్ చేయమన్నారు. With respect to 75, 25 4 times, 3 times, 32 4 times, 128 by 3, which is 42. One option, first option. The length and breadth of a rectangular lawn are 42 and 28 meters respectively. It has two roads, each 4 meters wide, running in the middle of it, one parallel to length, the other parallel to its breadth. What is the cost of spreading synthetic grass on that part of the lawn which is not covered by mentioned roads at the rate of 1.5 rupees square meter? There is a rectangular lawn here, one parallel to length, the other parallel to its breadth. Roads are there. Middle of it అన్నారు, నేను కార్నర్లో తీసుకుంటున్నా, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు కదా. Come on. Outer rectangle measurements are 42 and then 28. Now we need inner rectangle. Length becomes 42 minus 4, 38. Breadth becomes 28 minus 4. Inner rectangle area 24 into 38, and now we were asked to calculate cost at the rate of 1.5 rupees. We can write it as 3 by 2, correct? Now 2 how many times? Last digit verification, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 8 48. Answer ends with how many? Only one. AB started a business together and the respective ratio between investments of AB was 2:3. After 6 months from the start of the business, C joined and the ratio of respective ratio between investments of BC is 5:2. Annual profit earned by them was 3360. What is C share? AB investment ratio, BC investment ratio, who is common? B. Number is not common, right? Multiply first ratio with 5, second ratio with 3. Then it becomes 10, 15, 6. Who started? AB started. When did C join? Then A and B will be there for 12 months only. C will be there for 6, 2 times, 2 times, 2, 2, 3. Ratio 10, 15, 3. Question is about C share. Is getting 3 parts out of 28 parts among 3360. Is this clear? Now 3 multiple is already there. 3360 is already again 3 multiple. So answer must be 9 multiple, because in denominator we don't have any 3 multiples. Ardhamautunda? It cannot be first option, second may be your answer, third cannot be the one, fourth cannot be the one, fifth can be your answer, correct? When you observe your second option and fifth option, second and fifth, we have a 4 multiple. Come on. 4 7 times, 4 8 times, 4 times, 0. Answer should have 0. Fifth eliminated. A car takes 1 hour 36 minutes to travel from city A to B at a certain speed. If the car increases its speed by 15 km per hour from the original speed, it takes 1 hour 20 minutes to reach B. What is the distance between A to B? Now, in first case, how much time is it taking? Can I write it as 96 minutes? Second time it is taking 1 hour 20 minutes only. How much time is it taking? Now can you tell me the ratio here? 16. 6 times, 5 times, correct? Then speed ratio must be 5:6. Speed increased by how many parts? 1 part. Speed increased by how many kilometer per hour? Amma? Then 1 part is equal to 15. 5 parts, 75 kilometer per hour. Now the question is about distance, right? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed 75 time 96 divided by 60, because 96 is in minutes converted to hours. Following 15 4 times 5 times 2 4 times 120 kilometers. Rashmi spends 22% of her monthly income on household expenditure and 16% of the monthly income or her children education fee. Out of the remaining, so far 22 and 16, 38 is over, remaining 62% of total is left over. Out of remaining, she invests 30% in stock and deposited remaining amount in bank. Out of remaining, if 30% is spent, remaining is 70%. The amount deposited by her in bank is this much. Amount deposited in bank is 70%. Can I write it as 7 by 10 or 70 by 100? One and the same, correct? This is equal to 15,841. What is the amount that she spent on her children school fee? How much is spent on children school fee? 16%, correct? 1% of this number is 15,841 into 1000 by 7 into 62. This is 1%. Now we need 16% into 16. Clear? Right. Antena? 70%, 7 by 10, yes. Come on, let's start. 7 2 times 14. 18. Again 2 times 44. 6 times 3 times. Cancellation with 31. 2 times 31. 7 times 31 7 enta 217. 217. 93. 3 times 7. 8 times. ఏంటిది ఇంత తేడాగా వస్తుంది? మీరు మనం చేసిన మిస్టేక్ ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఆల్రెడీ పర్సంటేజ్ సింబల్ తీసేసాం కదా. డినామినేటర్లో 100 రాసాము అంటే సింబల్ లేనట్లే కదా. అక్కడుంది మిస్టేక్ అంతా. చా 62%. 1% value is into 10 by 7 into 62. We need 16% into 16. ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా. ఒక జీరో ఉండాలి కదా. న్యూమరేటర్లో ఒక జీరో ఉంది, డినామినేటర్లో కూడా ఆన్సర్ డినామినేటర్లో 5 మల్టిపుల్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్లో కంపల్సరీగా ఒక జీరో రావాలి. ఒకటే ఆప్షన్ ఉంది కదా. రైట్. A group of workers could complete a piece of work in 63 days. If there was 35 less workers, it would have taken 45 days more to finish the same piece of work. What was the actual strength of workers? ఇనీషియల్గా ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుందండి? ఇప్పుడు 45 మోర్ డేస్ అన్నారు కదా, అంటే 108 డేస్ అనేనా? 63 డేస్ 1 మోర్ అయినా అడిగింది. రైట్, 63 డేస్ ఎక్స్ పీపుల్ చేస్తున్నారు. సేమ్ దీన్నే ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 35 పీపుల్ ఉన్నట్లయితే 45 మోర్ డేస్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి 108 9 7 times 9 12 times 12x 7x difference 5x is equal to 35 into 12 x is equal to by 5 7 into 12 84. ఇనీషియల్ గా ఉన్న స్ట్రెంగ్త్ 84, యాక్చువల్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ వర్కర్స్ ఎక్స్ అని అనుకున్నాం, 84 ఆన్సర్. Average temperature of a city in a particular year from Jan to April was 80. Average temperature in that same year of city from February to May was 78.5. If the respective ratio between temperature in January and May is 27-25, what is the average temperature on January, May together in that year? Yes? 13 6 times. జాన్వరిలో ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్? మేలో టోటల్ యావరేజ్ కదా అడిగారు, అంటే 26 పార్ట్స్ అనేనా? 26 13 మల్టిపుల్ అయినా? ఆన్సర్ 13 మల్టిపుల్ అవ్వాల్సిందేనా? ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్ 70s 80sలో రావాలి అని అంటే 13 6 టైమ్సే కదా ఉంది. 13 6 టైమ్స్ ఎంత? అది కాకుండా ఇంకేమన్నా ఉన్నాయా మల్టిపుల్స్? అదే ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా? ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ January to April, how many months we have? February to May, how many months we have? 4 months, correct? Jan to April, February to March. Common months are Feb, March, April. Here we have January. Next case we have May. Avuna? These 3 months are common months. Here the average is 80. Next 4 months average is 78.5. Whatever difference is there, that is because of January and May, because remaining 3 months are quite common. Avuna? January and May, how many parts is the difference? Then 2 parts value is equal to average difference is average difference 1.5 for how many months? 4 months. Then 1.5 4 times is equal to 6, right? Come on. If 2 parts is equal to 6, question is to identify 26 parts. Average ade kada. 2 how many times? 13 times. 6 13 times 78. Okay. Radius of a circle is 1/3 of diagonal of the square whose area is 39 69. 60 square is 3600 and it is more than that. It will be in 60s only. 65 square is 4225. It is less than that. As it is ending with 9, it is 63 square only. Avuna? Then side of the square is equal to 63. Diagonal of the square is equal to a root 2. 63 root 2. Okay now. Radius of the circle is 1/3 of the diagonal. Then r is equal to 1/3 of this number 21 root 2. Question is to identify area of the circle. Pi r square 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 2. Root 2 I am writing it as 2. Is that fine? 7. Last digit verification. 2 into 3. 6 into 1. 6 into 2. Answer ends with how many? Last option Right. Minus x goes to the other side. Right hand side number will come to left hand side. Is that fine? First, let me verify number after decimal. Okay, now 0.48, 0.42, 0.90, minus 0.5, 0.4. Okay, now number before decimal. Is there any carry now? 2 plus 3, 5 minus 8. Answer ends with 7.4 only. ఇందులో ఏమైనా కనపడుతున్నాయా? ఇంత మల్టిపుల్స్ నో. నేనైతే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చేయను. మీరు చేయలేదా? ఈ 12 పాయింట్ అంటే మల్టిపుల్స్ ఏమీ కనపడట్లేదు ఇక్కడ. లాస్ట్ డిజిట్లు చేయలేము, ఎందుకంటే ఆఫ్టర్ డెసిమల్ 2 డిజిట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా. 70, 40, 40, 40, 70 కనపడట్లా ఏమి. కాబట్టి కంపల్సరీగా చేయాల్సి వస్తూ ఉంది. 12 times 10 times is 172. Come on. 2 times is 34.40. 4 times will be exactly double this, which is equal to 68.80. 0.4 times will be 6.88. To this we have to add 26.12. Number after decimal will give you 1.4. Come on. 1 carry వచ్చిందా? 6 plus 4, 0. 0 plus 8. 8 plus 1 carry. Answer ends with 9.4. Third option. Okay. $20,128 divided by 32 into 17. Numerator ends with, denominator ends with 4 into which number ends with 8? Either 2 or 7. Eliminate అయిపోయినాయా? Now answer is either first option or second option. Observe those two. First option is non-3 multiple. Second option is 3 multiple. Correct? In our numerator, original numerator, do you have 3 multiple? When you don't have 3 multiple, is there any chance of getting 3 multiple as your answer? Eliminate. Fine. 60 square is 3,600, 70 square is 4,900. That number is close to 4,900, correct? As it is ending with 1, it must be 60. 23 by 69. X is here. 41. Take 41 to left hand side. Is that okay? It becomes a negative number. Minus 41. 9 square ends with 15 square ends with 7 square ends with minus 9 minus 1. This is which cube ends with 6? Identify every other number in left hand side as 3 power something. 3 square to the power of 5. 3 power 10. Multiplication is there, so we have to add the exponent. This can be written as 27 square. 9 cube. 3 power 6 to the power of 2. 12. Divided by is there, so you have to subtract it. Avuna? 81 can be written as 9 square, 3 power 4 to the power of 4. 22 minus 16. 61 percentage. Take it to the other side. When you delete percentage symbol, it is 61 by 100. It becomes 100 by 61. 635 also goes to the other side. Divided by 635. Avuna? Right. 1 0 and decimal gets cancelled. Numerator 10 we have. Avuna? 5 cancellation. 2 times. 5 cancellation here. Enta? 127. Answer cannot be a 5 multiple. Because 5 multiples are not there. Avuna? Numerator ends with 2 into 2. Denominator ends with 7 into which number ends with 4? Come on. Answer should end with, right. So, first option and third option. Avuna? In your numerator, do you see 11 multiple? Do you see 11 multiple? Can your answer be 11 multiple? Eliminate. First option final. Okay, na? Minus x goes to the other side. It becomes minus 8 1 by 20. Correct? 9 plus 2, 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Integer fix. 1 by 4, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 20. LCM 20. 4, 5 times 5. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 1. 16 by 20. 4 by 5. 3, 4 by 5. 5, 5 cancel. 2, 4 times. 4, 9 times. 7, 2, 1, 8, 9, 5. ఆగండి 45, 74 కదా. 8 times, 3 times. This fellow ends with, sum ends with, ఇదే కదా. మధ్యలో ఇక్కడ హోల్డ్ చేసాం ఒకటి. 40. ఏమైనా షార్ట్ కట్ వేయచ్చు టోటల్ చెప్తే. ఓకే ఫైన్. లెట్స్ సే 1 is x value, x rupees invested in A, 6,000 minus x invested in B. Amount occurred by Shivram from B is 2280 more than amount occurred by him from A. So from B we will get 44% interest. Amount is 144 percentage of 6,000 minus x, which is equal to 2,280 more than amount received from A, which is 121% of x. This comes to left hand side. This goes to right hand side. Okay na? Minus 144x, right hand side already 121x, which is equal to 265% of x. 144 percentage of 6,000 or 6,000% of 144. Matladali. Or otherwise 60% of 144 also. 10%. 1440, 50%, 7200 plus 1440, 8640 plus 2280. అర్థమైందా? 2280 లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ నుంచి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ వెళ్తే మైనస్ కదా ఇది, రైట్. 640 minus 280, 360. 8000 minus 2000, which is equal to 265%. 1% is 265, and we know 100% of x into 100. ఇదే కదా, కమాన్ రైట్. అన్నిట్లోనూ 2 zeros కామన్ ఉన్నాయి. 265 2 times ఎంత, 530. 530. how much is left? 106. 106 అగైన్ 0 కదా. ఇంతవరకు చూస్తే ఆన్సర్లో సెకండ్ కాదు, థర్డ్ కాదు, ఫిఫ్త్ కూడా కాదు, అవునా? అయితే సెకండ్ లేకపోతే ఫోర్త్. am I right? am I right? న్యూమరేటర్లో 3 multiple ఉందా? మీ పాడే మిమ్మల్ని తగలయ్యా. 6360లో 3 multiple కనపడట్లేదా? ప్రతి నంబరు 3 multiple ఉంది కదా. మిమ్మల్ని తగలయ్యా మిమ్మల్ని. ఇక్కడున్న ప్రతి నంబరు 3 multiple కదా. 3 multiple ఉందా? డినామినేటర్లో 3 multiple ఉందా? ఆన్సర్ 3 multiple అవ్వాల్సిందేనా? అండ్ యు నో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఎయిదర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఆర్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ కదా. అయిపోయిందా? 2400. That's it. Anything else left? ఏంటమ్మా?